Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. Our temperatures are all over the place. A lot of us in the 40s and a few of us in the 50s to start out the morning here, as we do have a south wind starting to kick in. It's actually pushing a little bit of fog in our direction, so we may have some fog right around sunrise today. Cool start, not as cold as what we've experienced for the past few weeks here, and a little bit later today we'll be in the 70s again, so it will be a warm day, but it will be mostly cloudy, and it is going to turn breezy a little bit later ahead of our next cold front, which will be moving in tomorrow and Friday. So look at your visibility this morning. Again, ideally all these numbers should read 10 miles, and we are seeing some fog move up across deep East Texas. So in center, likely some dense fog this morning, and that will probably be the case over towards Toledo Bend side of Louisiana as well. You may see this fog push up into I-20, so Marshall and Shreveport Minden could be dealing with some fog this morning. Winds are pretty light to start out, but as we warm up today, the winds are going to start kicking, and you can see the south and southwest wind that we'll have today is going to kind of pull those warmer temperatures into the Arklatex. So despite the cloud cover, it is going to be a warm day for us. As you can see on satellite and radar, clouds going to increase as well. So we'll start out with some sunshine this morning before turning partly cloudy and then mostly cloudy, but should be another warm day for us. Low to mid 70s this afternoon, including 75 in Shreveport, about 74 degrees in Texarkana. And you can see what's kind of driving the weather pattern. Out to the west, very strong upper level low making its way down the southern California coastline, so a lot of rain out ahead of that. And that will be the pattern that shifts into the Arklatex tomorrow and Friday. So we'll take you through time. Your Robbins Toyota Futurecast showing a little sun this morning, and then by the time we make it to noon today, should be mostly cloudy. Winds will start whipping a little bit after the noon hour. We should have sustained winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the south and southeast. And once we get into the afternoon, likely some wind gusts in the 20 mile per hour range. So if you do have some plans to head out to some of the waterways today, you can expect there will be some moderate chop out there and maybe some breakers, especially on the north side of some of those larger lakes that we have across the region. Held the rain chances out today, but later this evening, tonight, we could see a few rain showers pop up north of Interstate 30. We'll pick this up in just a moment. So your lows tonight, upper 50s and low 60s as the air continues to warm ahead of our next cold front. We jump to tomorrow morning, so there will be some rain out there on Thursday. Gone about 40% with the rain chance, meaning the northern half of the Arklatex, your rain chances will be much higher there. You can see Texarkana in and out of the rain tomorrow. Could be a few thunderstorms. Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk out for some of our northeast Texas counties. Could be some storms that do produce some high wind gusts here, but it's a very low-end severe weather threat as we go through Thursday evening into early Friday morning. You can see the cold front begins to make its way further to the south Friday, so not much has changed with the timing. It looks like this front going to bring most of its rainfall late Thursday through Friday morning, and we do have some showers and storms that continue into the afternoon. And it, as of right now, not in the severe weather outlook for Friday, so that's good news, but there will be some thunder and lightning out there. Rain moves east by the time we hit sunset in most areas, so we will have some clouds linger through Friday evening, but if you have Friday evening outdoor plans, some of the high school football playoff games, we should be dry, but it is going to be quite cold behind that front with temperatures falling into the 40s and 50s Friday evening. Look at the rainfall potential, again, 1 to 2 inches still possible north of Interstate 20 with the lighter amounts further to the south. Again, that range didn't cause any problems with the abnormally dry conditions that we have, but temperatures will drop off late this week into the weekend. Weekend still looks great, cool, comfortable, and dry, as we'll have highs in the 50s and 60s, and it looks like next Tuesday will be our next chance of seeing rain and thunderstorms move into the region.